Mommy? I think I'm on the spelling test. I think I'm gonna get a star. Then I'll get 2, but separate Aiden because he has 0 stars until now.
Oh, and how many stars you get?
1, so I think I'm getting a second one.
This week you're going to get another one?
Yes.
Hope so.
Yeah.
जोशु इधर आओ इधर आ तुम दोनों इधर आओ इधर आओ इधर बैठ इधर बैठ इधर बैठ इधर बैठ इधर बैठ इधर बैठ जूनियर इसमें लिस्ट्रीन भरा किसने?
Obviously.
मम्मी
मेरे रूम में से लिस्ट्रीन निकाला किसने आधी बोतल? लिस्ट्रीन इसमें क्यों भरा? और भरा तो किधर है? मेरे रूम में जो लिस्ट्रीन की बोतल थी वो तूने क्यों हाथ लगाया?
आज बर्थडे है उसका? नहीं, just reminding. I'm just reminding.
2500 का एक लिस्ट्रीन का बोतल है.
Don't buy anything for him. Stop his lunch.
But he throw the listrine in a gutter. Why?
For fun?
He take it out half bottle from my listrine too. If he spoil his one, no problem. But why he took my one, half of them bottle?
You know you had fun, right?
You know how they.
They said they were going from Jamaica to London, then London to Canada, and then coming to India, and then when it's from India to New York, and then New York, Canada to Jamaica.
Can you tell us, please, sir? Okay, you know where there was a gate? So last time when you came in park, you saw a gate in front. Yeah, but we didn't go there. You went straight. Like straight. You can
take it.
मम्मी मेरे को देखने का था मम्मी
Jonas, come. Let's go.
Sure. Come, let's go. चल.
तू कुछ खाएगी? टूटी फ्रूटी खाएगी तो बोल, मैंने भी नहीं खाया बहुत.
मेरे को नहीं चाहिए.
जूनियर